This is going to be a reading for the sign of Sagittarius, all that I need to know about your person moving things forward. So let's start for the next couple of weeks. So what's going on in your life, Sagittarius? What's going on in your overall life? Okay, right now with the moon card, there are a lot of fears, possibly doubts regarding your whole thing that is going on around you. You may have serious doubts about your connection, relationship. You do not trust them at all. In terms of your work life as well, you feel bit limited, bit, controlled. You are not being able to express yourself the way you want to in terms of your career or your workspace, or you are not also being able to spend money because you do feel you do not have enough. Okay, and right now I do not see you being very confident, to be honest. What else is happening? What else is happening inside Sagittarius overall life next couple of weeks? With Ace of Wands, I do see your sex life changing for the better. Okay, if you've been having a dry spell for some time, that could change. But other than that, I see new beginnings. That is, if you want new beginnings in your life. Okay, if you are still focused on the past, then, then things might be stagnant for a while. The past person is not really wanting to give in so much. They still believe they do not have much to offer, and right now is not the right time for them to come forward. So if you're looking forward for something new, that might happen, but the past person is still going to want to keep things stagnant. Okay, in terms of your soulmate connection, how is that going to be going for the next couple of weeks? Yeah, with the high priestess, I still see you not having a lot of communication. Things are still very much stagnant. Your person is being silent. They are not reaching out like the way you want them to reach out. Okay, so you guys are both kind of ghosting each other. So I do not see a lot of communication happening there. In terms of your person, Sagittarius soulmate, what are they going through? One more card. How are they coming forward towards you? So right now with Page of Cups, I believe that your person, if they are not talking to you, this person would be talking to someone else. Okay, I definitely see them being in communication with someone else. If this person cheated, lied, or destroyed your life in some which way, if you believe that, then I see your person trying to be in connection with someone else, trying to reconnect or connect with someone else. Okay, how are they coming forward towards you now? Five of Pentacles. This person is not coming forward towards you. Rather, they are ghosting you. They are wanting to stay away from you. Okay. Reason being, they want you to miss them. They want you to suffer, and through the suffering, they want you to chase them. Okay. So one more card for what's really happening in their overall life. What's really happening in their overall life, Sagittarius soulmate. Just like I told you, this person with Knight of Cups, they are definitely trying to reach out to someone else. This person is not completely single like the way you think they are. Okay, in the past they could have tried to stay focused on their finances, but right now I very much see them trying to connect with. So very much see them trying to connect with someone else right now. Okay, they might not be that focused on you. Okay, and if at all, you want this person to reach out, I do not see them trying to reach out honestly. Okay, I see this person trying to rather ghost you. They also want you to possibly suffer through the silence so that you could chase them. Okay. So one card for what could you expect from this person for the next couple of weeks? What you could expect from this person for the next couple of weeks? With the Wheel of Fortune, this person is going with the flow. If at all something happens where they need you or they have to reach out, they will reach out. Otherwise, I do not really see them trying to reach out. Okay, this person is a very selfish individual, and they'll only come to you when they need you. Okay, so one card for what do they truly want from you now? What do they truly want from you now? With Three of Pentacles in the reverse, right now they might not want to cooperate, right now they might not want to team up, right now they might not want to possibly give in to this connection. Okay, what do they want from you? Right now they might not look forward to this connection at all. If at all, you want this person to give you attention, they might only want to keep you a third party. I'm really sorry, but I'm getting a very toxic energy from their side. Okay, this might go vice versa. This might be the Sagittarius doing this, so do not take it very personally. One card. So what are their current feelings towards you? Three of Cups. They are just wanting to keep you as a friend. Okay, I do not see them wanting to keep you or consider you anything more. Okay, they'll just want to keep you as friends or friends with benefits. Okay, so what really got in the way, Spirit, or what's the major blockage? What's the major blockage between Sagittarius and their person? What's the major blockage is King of Pentacles. For a selected few of you, this person could be married or they already have, got fixed elsewhere. Okay. I also see this person very much focused on themselves, not at all focused on you. Okay. What else could have got in the way, Spirit? Finances could also be a problem for selected few of you. Your person could be not financially well off to even consider having a relationship, but mostly I see them trying to connect somewhere else. Okay. And your person is a cheat. Okay, I wanted to use another term, but your person is extremely deceptive. This person cannot be trusted. Right now they are trying to connect elsewhere. Even if they come forward, just like I told you, they'll only come forward if they want you or they need you. Okay, one more card for where this connection is going forward for the couple of weeks. Where is this connection truly going forward for the next couple of weeks? King of Cups. I still believe that deep down you still have feelings for them. Okay, even if this person doesn't approach you, even if they do not reach out, or they do not take any sort of action, I still feel that the feelings you have for them is still very much there. Okay, and you might be trying to move on, but I do not see you being very successful, to be honest. Okay, one more card for what is going on with Sagittarius in terms of this connection. Yeah, just like I told you, I see you very much holding on but holding back, and you're also trying to heal yourself through this heartbreak, but you're still going through the process. You're still very much going through the process. Okay, so what else should Sagittarius be knowing about this connection? What should Sagittarius be knowing about this connection? Okay. Foolish, not mature, not there yet. For some of you, this person is extremely immature. They are not there yet fully for a solid connection. Okay. Second card is we have is using you, gold digger, sexholic, fame hungry, escape. So this person, for selected few of you, only try to stay with you for the benefits. It could be sex, it could be money, it could be fame, it just could be a roof on their head. Okay, like a resting place. One card for what else should you be knowing where this connection is going forward. Many of you guys are actually connecting with a toxic person. Okay, for selected few of you, there's a new beginning coming in. Okay, you need to forget, this is not the message, you need to forget the past in order for you to start something new. Okay, and change, your love life will change. So there's a possibility that you might meet someone new, but you will have to force to move on from this person. Again, I want to confirm that this reading might not resonate with everyone, but if it does, please move on, darling. This person is not really looking forward to this connection. One more card for what should you be knowing? Practical mind, closed heart. So right now your person is being very practical. They might look at this connection as toxic or something that might not work. So they'll rather go for an easier relationship. What else? Okay, in the past, this person could have come up with a drama, grateful, thankful for having met you and all that you've done for me. So they're extremely very much manipulative, very smart. Okay, and what else should you be knowing about the future of this connection? Right now I do not see this person giving into this connection at all. Okay. Recurring repeating patterns, no change. Just like I told you, you guys are going through the cycle, possibly going through the same things over and over again. Reason being, you need to break free. If you keep repeating it, you're going to keep going through it all over again. Okay. So you need to take a stand for yourself and possibly look out for yourself, because this person is coming off as very very deceptive. Okay. So this was your reading. I know it might have been bit negative, but I only read the cards the way I see them. Okay. If negative, positive, I really don't give a fuck. It's up to you whether you choose to watch it or not. But yes, my readings are always going to be raw. It's always straightforward. I do not choose to sugarcoat. I do not choose to give you false hope. So yes, if it resonated with you, kindly hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. All those who want to get a personal reading done from me, please visit my website and choose from all the options that are there. And yeah, I hope to see you soon, guys, and happy month of April. Cheers.